There are so many benefits of drinking parsley tea that I'm sure nobody has told you until now. Tea made from parsley has remarkable health advantages, making it an excellent complement to a healthy diet. The health benefits of parsley tea include: one, it's high in antioxidants and minerals. Its enzymes and chlorophyll helps with weight loss and bloating. The rich dose of vitamin C in parsley helps with your immune function, collagen development, wound healing, nutrient absorption, and bone formation. Parsley helps regulate menstruation and hormone-related problems. And in addition, it acts as a natural detoxifier that aids in flushing toxins from your body. It has cancer-fighting compounds, and according to the National Institute of Health, a study found that parsley extract was able to prevent DNA damage and decrease the spread of breast cancer cells by 41%. Parsley tea has a powerful natural diuretic ability, and as a result, it can help detoxify your bladder and your kidneys, which can help to prevent kidney stones. It also relieves respiratory problems. It helps keeps your cholesterol, blood sugar, and blood pressure in normal range. It strengthens your blood vessels, and it improves your eye health. And one more thing, the folic acid and vitamin B in parsley helps your hair and your skin. Now, it's easy to prepare, it's so inexpensive, and it's delicious. It's made by steeping fresh or dried parsley in a cup of hot water, and you can use some honey and lemon. Now, I'm gonna be using my Shilajit honey because you know I love Shilajit. It's a boost to this parsley. It's because Shilajit resin helps with immunity, helps with memory, and also help with weight loss. Now, check out my bio if you want to find out where to get the Shilajit. Now, if you want to use it for weight loss, here's what you need to do. Just blend a bunch of parsley in the blender with 1 lemon and 1.5 cups of filtered or spring water in the blender. Drink this first thing in the morning. One last thing I should note. There's a lot of vitamin K in parsley, so this is not recommended for pregnant women because of its menstrual regulating abilities, and also for those who are taking medication for blood thinners. Parsley is even good for our dogs. It helps to flush toxins from their body.